Ever wondered how to cook perfect hard-boiled eggs? Well, it all starts with the eggs themselves. The key to a flawless hard-boiled egg is freshness. To test for freshness, simply place the egg in a bowl of water. Fresh eggs will obediently sink to the bottom, while their older counterparts will rebelliously float to the top. Selecting fresh eggs is the first step to cooking perfection. Once you've got your fresh eggs ready, it's time to move on to the next step. Now, onto the boiling process. This step is crucial to achieving that perfect hard-boiled egg. Begin by arranging your eggs in a single layer at the bottom of a saucepan. Pour in enough water so that it covers the eggs by approximately 1 inch. Place the saucepan on your stove and adjust the heat to medium-high. Patiently wait as the water heats up and eventually reaches a rolling boil. At this point, promptly remove the saucepan from the heat source and cover it with a lid. For those of you using large eggs, let them bask in the hot water for roughly 12 minutes. This duration allows the heat to penetrate the shell and thoroughly cook the egg, ensuring that creamy yet firm texture we all love in a hard-boiled egg. So you've boiled your eggs, what comes next? Let's find out. After boiling comes the cooling and peeling process. The next step is just as vital as the previous ones for achieving the perfect hard-boiled egg. Cooling the eggs immediately after boiling is crucial as it halts the cooking process. This not only retains the right texture, but also aids in peeling the eggs easier. To cool the eggs, simply drain the hot water from the saucepan and replace it with cold water. Give the eggs a good chill until they are cool to touch. Now, let's move on to peeling. Start by gently tapping the egg on a hard surface to create cracks on the shell. Once cracked, peel the shell off under a stream of running water. The water helps to separate the shell from the egg, resulting in a smooth, clean finish. And there you have it, a perfectly boiled egg. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Let's quickly recap the steps to cooking the perfect hard-boiled egg. Start by selecting fresh eggs, their quality is vital. Proceed to boil them in a gentle manner. Maintaining the right temperature is key. Once boiled, cool them immediately to stop further cooking, preserving their texture. Finally, peel the eggs under running water to make the process easier and cleaner. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to cook perfect hard-boiled eggs every time. Go ahead, give it a try and enjoy your meal.